Everybody online keeps arguing about which AI model is smarter. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek. But while everyone was busy debating, something huge quietly happened. The company behind Claude, Anthropic, released an entire free learning platform packed with AI certifications, developer training, prompt strategies, workflow systems, and practical lessons for people who actually want to use AI for real work. And somehow, barely anyone is talking about it. So I decided to test it myself. Over the last several days, I went through every major course inside Anthropic's learning platform, so you don't have to waste hours figuring out what's actually useful and what you can skip. Some courses felt surprisingly valuable. A few, honestly, felt better than paid AI trainings I've seen online. But not every course is worth your time. So in this video, I'll break down which courses are actually useful, who should take them, which ones are overrated, and the exact order I'd learn everything if I had to start from zero. Because depending on whether you're a student, developer, business owner, creator, or complete beginner, your roadmap should look completely different. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what this actually is. Most people think Claude is just another chatbot. You ask questions, it answers. End of story. But Anthropic is clearly trying to turn Claude into something much bigger. Instead of only teaching you prompts, they built an entire training ecosystem around how to actually use AI in work, coding, education, business systems, and automation. And here's the surprising part. Most of the courses are completely free. No weird subscription, no hidden paywall halfway through, no watch module 1 then pay $299. You finish the course, complete the work, and you even get certifications for several of them. Now obviously, free doesn't automatically mean good. There are thousands of terrible free courses online. So the real question is, which ones are actually worth your time? Let's start with the one literally everyone should take first. If you've barely used Claude before, this is where you start. Not coding, not automation, not advanced agent workflows. Start with the beginner foundation course. And honestly, this surprised me. I expected boring beginner content, the usual "this button does this" kind of training. But instead, it walks through features most people never touch, even after using Claude for months. For example, most people open AI tools like they're Google. Type something, get an answer, leave. But Claude becomes way more useful when you understand things like organizing work into projects, keeping long-term context, research workflows, structured outputs, reusable systems. Think of it like this. Most people drive a sports car in first gear. That's basically how average users treat AI. This course teaches you how to actually use the machine properly. If your job involves writing, marketing, operations, research, admin work, content, freelancing, or business, this is probably the highest ROI place to start, because every advanced thing later builds on these basics. And skipping foundations is exactly why people say, AI isn't that useful. Meanwhile, someone else is saving 10 hours a week with the same tool. Now, if you write code, or even want to learn coding, this is where things get seriously interesting. Because Claude isn't only competing as a chatbot. Anthropic is heavily pushing something called Claude Code. And after looking through the developer track, I kind of understand why developers are paying attention. There are beginner and practical coding-focused trainings. And instead of teaching theory for hours, the focus is, how do you actually use AI inside real development work? Things like understanding unfamiliar code bases, planning features, debugging, refactoring, automation, letting AI help with repetitive engineering tasks. Here's the difference. Most people use AI for coding like this. Hey AI, write me a login page. Copy, paste, pray it works. That's beginner-level usage. The better workflow is treating AI more like a smart engineering assistant, something that helps think through architecture, review mistakes, speed up repetitive work, help navigate giant code bases. And from what I saw, these developer lessons are way more practical than I expected. If you're learning programming or already working in software, this section alone is probably worth your time, especially considering people spend hundreds, sometimes thousands, on coding boot camps. Now here's where things shift from using Claude to building with Claude. And this is the section that honestly feels like college-level material, but free. If you've ever wanted to build AI apps, customer support systems, automations, smart assistants, business tools, AI features inside websites, this becomes way more relevant. Because eventually, every business is going to ask the same question. How do we actually integrate AI into what we already do? And randomly watching YouTube tutorials becomes messy really fast. One video says one thing, another says something totally different. Half the tutorials are outdated in 3 months. Having structured learning actually matters here. The advanced technical training is definitely not beginner-friendly. I'll be honest, if you've never touched APIs before, you'll probably feel overwhelmed. But if you already understand basic coding, this becomes extremely valuable because it teaches how AI systems actually work behind the scenes. Not just prompting, real implementation. Now, this next part is weirdly underrated, and honestly, I think most people will completely skip it. Big mistake. Because one of the most useful areas isn't even technical. It's about learning how to actually think with AI. Here's the problem. Most people assume using AI means ask better questions. That's part of it. But the real skill is knowing what should AI do? What should you do? How much should you trust the answer? How do you verify results? When is AI actually helping versus making you lazy? That skill matters whether you're a student, business owner, manager, freelancer, creator, marketer, or employee. Because the people winning with AI aren't always the smartest. Usually, they're the people who know how to collaborate with it better. And that mindset shift alone makes some of these lessons genuinely useful. So if I had to start over from zero, here's exactly how I'd do it. If you're a beginner, start with foundational Claude training. Learn workflows, understand research, learn how to structure requests, then stop. Actually use it for a week. Don't binge 10 courses in one day. Use it in real life. Emails, research, planning, writing, brainstorming, productivity. If you're a student, learn practical AI usage first. Focus on using AI to understand concepts faster, not cheat. The smartest students won't replace thinking. They'll accelerate learning. If you're a creator or freelancer, focus on workflows, research, content systems, organization, prompting, because saving 5 hours every week compounds fast. If you're a developer, go straight into the coding focus track, then move into building AI systems. That's where the biggest leverage exists. So, is Claude secretly building one of the best free AI learning platforms online? Honestly, maybe. Not every course is amazing. Some are definitely niche. But the fact that a company behind one of the biggest AI models is giving away structured learning for free is genuinely interesting, especially right now, because we're entering a weird moment where people are either ignoring AI completely or using it at a surface level. Meanwhile, a smaller group is learning how to actually work with AI, and those people are probably going to move way faster over the next few years. So if you've been meaning to learn Claude properly, this is probably one of the easiest places to start. And if you've already tried some of these courses, let me know in the comments which one was actually worth it, because I'm curious if your experience was the same as mine. And if you want me to compare Claude versus ChatGPT learning resources next, subscribe.